I've been exploring the Bank of America Advantage SafeBalance Banking account for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this account. First, let's talk about its fees. The monthly maintenance fee is $4.95, but there are a few ways to get this waived. If you're under 25 or if you're enrolled in Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program, you won't pay the fee. You can also avoid it by maintaining a minimum daily balance of $500. This flexibility makes it especially appealing for students and younger users. One of the most valuable aspects of SafeBalance is that it's a no overdraft fee account. Instead of letting you spend more than what's in your account and charging you for it, Bank of America simply declines transactions that would overdraw your balance. This helps you stay on budget and avoid surprises at the end of the month. The account is also Bank-On certified, which means it meets national standards for safe and affordable banking. You get access to digital banking, mobile alerts, and parental controls if you're opening the account for a child or teen. The minimum opening deposit is just $25, so it's easy to get started. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, you won't get check writing privileges, and if you use an ATM outside of Bank of America's network, you'll pay a $2.50 fee per withdrawal, plus any fee charged by the ATM owner. And like most big banks, you won't earn interest on your SafeBalance account. Overall, the Bank of America Advantage SafeBalance Banking account is best for people who want a simple, no-frills checking account with strong digital features and no risk of overdraft fees. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.